Hi guys, it's Ethan, the Super Tech Kid, and welcome to another episode of the Super Tech Kid Show, Season 1, Episode 2, oh my gosh, confusing. Season 1, Episode 2. And so, remember, this is the channel where I solve your technology problems. Make sure you leave in the comments below what do you want to see next time or in a special edition video, and I will reply if you are a great commenter. And before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the bell button so you never miss out on an episode. And so, you may ask, what is this episode about? So, okay, let me tell you a story. 2 stories. So story 1 is when your kids have a game and they see this pop up for a subscription saying, oh look, you get some cool thing in a game, and then it says 7-day free trial, and then it's like really expensive after that. And all they see is the word free. So they get it without asking you because somehow they know your password. I don't know how that works. And then next day you find out you get an email from Apple, Android, or Google or something, and then you're saying, what, who bought this subscription? And you don't know how to cancel it. Well, if that happens to you, then this video is for you. The second story is maybe you want some streaming service like, I don't know, Netflix and Amazon and Disney Plus or something, or maybe you want to like NBA Game Pass or Cricket Australia, something, and you get it, you get the free trial, and you don't actually like it, and you don't know how to change it. That's a problem. Then this is for you as well. And the last thing, I will be giving you tips on how to manage your subscriptions, how to change your plan, and best of all, how to cancel them from unwanted subscriptions. So let's get into the video. Okay, so what we want to do first is get into the subscription section of your iPad or iPhone. So what you want to do is you want to go to the App Store. This is the best way. And in the top right corner, you should see your Apple ID picture. So tap on that. And then you need to go to subscriptions, which is kind of obvious because that's what this video is about. Now here you will have your list of subscriptions. Now this is just some example subscriptions. At the top you will see active subscriptions, ones you haven't cancelled, or free trials. So let's say like this app, Center. It says what subscription you're using, in this case 3 months, how much it is on the right, and it tells you your next billing date at the top. At the bottom, above the little blue writing, it'll say if you cancel now, you can still access your subscription until a certain time. So in this case, 16th of March 2020. So that's how long you have left until they charge you again or until you cancel it. At the bottom, a big red writing saying cancel subscription, kind of obvious. So, that's what you want to press. At the bottom, it will have expired ones that you've cancelled, ones that have been expired but you don't pay them. So let's say, this case, Marvel Unlimited. Well, they only had one subscription, which was monthly. And you can select an option to resubscribe if you want, but you obviously cancelled it in the first place, so maybe you don't want to get it back. And if you want, you can change your subscription period. So for Center, you can change it from 3 months to 12 months, or even 1 month. Or if you're something else, go back to 3 months. This way you choose what you want, personalize it for yourself. So that's kind of how to change it. Now some tips. If you let your kids use your iPad, then first things first, do not tell them your Apple ID password, and do not give them your Touch ID or Face ID. And that way they can't really buy anything without your permission. Second thing, if they have family sharing on, then they can subscribe to things, but make sure you have families sharing turned on, then they will send a notification to your phone or your number one device, Mac, phone, something, iPad. Other kind of tips. Make sure you manage your subscriptions regularly. Let's say if you're maybe once every 2 months, you should always go and check. Is there anything I've been subscribed to? Is there anything my kids are subscribed to? And if there's anything you see that's wrong, you should cancel. If there's something that you think no one has subscribed to, you should go to Apple support. And because this is for an Apple tutorial, and there's a lot of subscriptions, and they're sometimes annoying. So you got to make sure you're on top of everything. So yeah, you make sure you always regularly check up, as in once every 2 months, once every 3 months, and if you have a lot of devices, maybe even more frequently. And well, in the first place, make sure you subscribe only what you want to subscribe to, unless it's a free trial. But make sure you know how long the free trial is, like not just 1 day, because that's not worth it. Make sure they're not stealing credit card details, and make sure it's reliable. And that's it to know about subscriptions. That's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you tune in every Sunday. Make sure you check for every episode. As an added bonus, in the comments box, tell me what do you want to see next. If it's video worthy, I will turn it into a video and reply to you. And I might even just give you a reply as some local friendly tech kid help. And make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and smash that bell button so you know you can be in the know when is the next video on, and never miss out on a single episode. That's it. So, Super Tech Kid out.